Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we are going to be talking about how sometimes we get a little too caught up in thinking about ourselves and how big our problems are. Okay, so before we start, let's start with Auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. And as we had planned last time, how important knowledge is and how Allah Ta'ala has taught us in our manuals, the Quran, this beautiful dua that we had planned that we will be reading before starting every class, which is Rabbi Zidni Ilma, which means, Oh Allah, increase our ilm. Ilm is a very special kind of knowledge which helps us succeed in this world and the next world, inshallah. So, moving ahead. Now, this is a very weird condition where, we have like a small problem or someone says something to us and then we like completely forget about everything around us. We forget that our Creator has blessed us with so many things. We have loving parents, we have a lovely home, we have food to eat. We have all these other luxuries around us, which most people don't have. And we have, above all, a beautiful earth in which we can live happily, we can breathe happily. It is like the only place in the entire universe where we can actually survive. So, today we are going to actually take a look beyond our earth and kind of see how huge Allah Ta'ala has made the universe to kind of really understand how big and how powerful Allah Ta'ala really is. So let's see how huge has Allah created the universe. So over here we did a see think wonder activity in which we saw that there is this huge sun which looks like a lava, and then somewhere down here someone spotted a tiny earth. Yes, this is exactly how tiny the earth is in front of this huge sun. We also thought that how what about these planets, and how come they are so small, and how huge the earth is and how hot it must be, and what will happen to us if we go close to us. So we wondered all of those things. So we were pretty convinced that the sun is really huge. I mean, first we thought the earth was really huge, and then we were totally convinced that the sun was really huge. Then we saw this amazing video in which we saw that, there are so many bigger suns in the universe, which are way bigger than our sun. And this like totally blew our minds off. As you can see, the suns keep on getting bigger and bigger. So we kept seeing bigger suns and bigger suns, and then all these suns are actually stars, which are at least one planet revolves around them. Just like our sun has 8 planets revolving around them. So each of these suns or stars have at least one planet revolving around them. So I mean, can you just imagine how huge this entire thing is? And then we not only have millions of stars, but then we have millions of galaxies which have millions of stars. And I mean, it is just amazing. We just look up from the earth and we see so many stars, and we have no idea what's going out there. We have no idea what all Allah Ta'ala has created in this huge universe for us. So after seeing this, you guys were like, whoa, and your eyes were like wide open, and it totally blew your mind away. But that wasn't it. Then, we kind of watched this next video, which not only zoomed in for us, but also zoomed out for us, but also zoomed inside of this girl's eye. And then we saw that even inside of us, if we kind of really zoom in, there is actually a whole universe of things happening inside of us also. But the thing is that our eyes, Allah Ta'ala hasn't created our eyes as powerful enough to kind of really see inside of us. So we can't see. So, we went inside the girl's eye, and we saw that, things are just going on and on and on. So this is what the scientists have discovered so far, but we don't know what else is happening inside of us, and we don't know what all Allah Ta'ala is taking care of. And as we learned, that if anything goes wrong at any level inside any human being, things can go really wrong. And similarly, anything goes slightly out of track in any place, in the galaxy, kaboom can happen, because everything is going in their set pattern across the universe, like even across our sun. Like all the planets are orbiting in their invisible orbits, so everything is going in its set pattern, and if anything goes out of place, there will be a disaster. Okay, so what we realize is that Allah is bigger than our problems and the universe. Okay, Allah Ta'ala is great, and that is what Allahu Akbar means. Akbar means great. And when I was a child, I used to wonder why people are always saying Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Nare Takbir, Allahu Akbar. I was like, what's going on with these people? What is wrong with them? But later I realized what it means is Allah is great. And that is what the azan always starts with, Allahu Akbar, which means Allah is great. And I hope today you kind of understood why we say that, because Allah Ta'ala is truly great. The universe is so great. I mean, Allah Ta'ala's creations are so great. And Allah Ta'ala is not only hasn't just created these things, He's constantly taking care of all of these amazing creations. It is mind blowing, just like all these stars, I mean, they seem like tiny dots, but they're like so huge. So always remember, He's the Rabb, the person who takes care of the entire universe and the entire universe inside of us, which we are not even aware of. So He has created the earth in a perfect way for us to survive, but we often forget Him. Okay, so let's always remember Him in our problems and in our happinesses. Okay, so now for the homework activity, I had given you to look at the sky and do a see, think, wonder activity. These are my points. You can write your own points. So in the see point, I have written, I see an endless sky. Then in the think one, I have written, I think only and only Allah can create such a gigantic universe. In the wonder, I've written, I wonder how tiny I am. The earth seems so small from the space, right? So how tiny am I and my problems? So you can write your own point or points. I've shared a Google Doc with you. You can edit that Doc. The homework is on Google Classroom, inshallah. Um, okay. So in the end, we watched this really nice song, which I'm going to link down below. And this is called Cotton Candy Sky. So I hope you enjoy the song. Take care, Allah Hafiz, and keep looking out for the stars and the sky, and keep thinking about Allah Ta'ala. Take care, Allahu Akbar.